In today's video, I'll show you how to translate and dub content with ElevenLabs so you can turn any video or audio into a natural-sounding version in another language. If you're new to dubbing, think of it as a process where the original speech is translated and then recreated using AI voices that match the tone and timing of the original content. First, sign in to your ElevenLabs account and open the Dubbing or Audio Tools section. This is where you'll handle both translation and voice generation in one workflow. Next, upload the video or audio file you want to translate. Make sure the original recording is clear, because better audio quality leads to more accurate transcription and dubbing. Now choose your target language. Select the language you want your content translated into so the system knows what output to generate. Once that's set, choose a voice style for the dubbed version. Try to pick a voice that matches the tone of the original speaker so the content still feels natural. Now start the dubbing process. ElevenLabs will transcribe the audio, translate it, and then generate a new voiceover that fits the timing of the original content. After processing, play back the dubbed version. Check carefully for pronunciation, timing, and natural flow across different sections of the video. If something feels off, you can adjust settings, refine the script, or regenerate parts of the audio until it sounds right. When you're satisfied with the result, download the dubbed file and use it in your edited video or content workflow. This feature is especially useful for reaching global audiences and repurposing content across multiple languages. And that's how you translate and dub content with ElevenLabs. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.